Ridgecrest, Isabel here with your monthly Ridgecrest recap, where we keep you in the know. June has been packed with summer energy and we're just getting started. The summer day camp kicked off in full swing. From crafts, splash pad fun, to games and weekly field trips. It's been non-stop smiles. There's still time to join in the upcoming week, so don't miss out on the summer fun. Coming up, Ridgecrest City Nights returns August 23rd. Mark your calendars, more food, music, and foam and fun vibes are on the way. And calling all young entrepreneurs, the Youth Makers Market is happening Saturday, July 19th from 8 to 11 a.m. at Freedom Park by the Splash Pad. Ages 7 to 17 can sell homemade goods or showcase services like tutoring, lawn care, and more. For more info and booth applications, check out the City of Ridgecrest website under Community Events. Road improvements are moving full speed ahead. College Heights Blvd is getting a fresh upgrade from Javis Avenue to the college. Huge thanks to Cerro Coso Community College for funding the repairs. West Felspar Avenue is getting a new road from Norma to Downs. And an excavation project began this week on a brand new 100-year drainage sump, which will help reduce flooding in the Felspar and Norma neighborhood. Meanwhile, our code enforcement team has been putting in some serious work, cleaning debris, addressing property concerns, and keeping Ridgecrest looking clean and cared for. We appreciate all that they do. A big shout out to some outstanding officers keeping our streets safe. Officer Gabriel Coe led Ridgecrest PD with 27 DUI arrests in 2025. Incredible work. Officer Jeremiah Lloyd also stood out with 21 DUI arrests, helping make our roads safer for everyone. And a special congrats to Deputy Mike Ogos, formerly with RPD and now in Inyo County, who's still making a big impact. Thank you all for your commitment to keeping our communities safe. Have you ever thought about starting your own franchise right here in Ridgecrest? The Economic Development Committee is on the lookout for potential franchisees. We've already got leads on valuable businesses, and now we're looking for passionate locals ready to take the leap. If you're curious about what it takes to bring a new retail or restaurant chain into town, give us a call at 760-499-5062 or email jricketts@ridgecrest.ca.gov. Big welcome to Root and Bloom, now open at 135 Balsam Street. One less vacant storefront and one more reason to visit downtown Balsam. And sandwich fans rejoice. Jersey Mike has officially opened on June 18th. Visit them at 800 South China Lake Boulevard from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily. Wendy's is officially under construction in Ridgecrest, and we're excited to welcome another major name in the fast food to town. Stay tuned for updates as construction progresses and opening day gets closer. That's a wrap on June. This has been Isabel keeping you in the know, and see you next month, Ridgecrest.